In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a URL or a web link to a forum post in Leo so that the web link is live, so it's hyperlinked, so it will open when somebody clicks on it, and so it will open in a new window rather than opening over the top of Leo. And this is a really important part of you as a student at the university becoming an adept user of the Leo space and actually using it to your advantage rather than using it just as somewhere to access information. So I'm going to add a message to the important message from Adam forum just as an example in this video. So I'm going to so you go into a forum and you add a new discussion topic. And just as a matter of interest, this isn't just for posting to a forum. Whenever you're within the Leo space and you want to add a web link for your peers to access, you can do this anywhere. It's not just for the purposes of a forum post. Okay, so I'm going to call this test message, and the URL that I want people to access is going to be the ACU email, the ACU web address. So the ACU web address is as follows. Okay, so the address for ACU is www.acu.edu.au. Now, if I was to post that now, just show you as an example, you will see that when I run my mouse over acu.edu.au, it actually doesn't do anything. So it's not hyperlinked, it's literally just text. I want to change that so when my mouse runs over it, it turns to the little hand icon and I can open it up. So I'm now just going to go back in and edit this message. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight that address that I want and I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then up at the top here you've got a number of icons, and if you run your mouse over these three here, they are to do with setting up web links in a forum post. And the one on the left is called Insert Edit Link, and I'm going to click on that. And then where it says link URL, I'm going to put back in the URL. I'm going to add the URL that I want my forum post readers to go to. So I'm going to paste in the URL that I've just copied, which is acu.edu.au, or you can type it in. And then the next bit is really important. At the moment, if I was to, in fact, I'll show you. If I now insert that, you'll notice that the link is now turned blue, and I save that. And I go back to my message, and I click on it. You will notice up here, in the top left, that it's taken me straight to the ACU page, but it's also overwritten Leo, so Leo has gone. I'll just show you that one more time. So I click on the link in the forum post, so acu.edu.au, and it overwrites the existing page, it overwrites Leo, and that can cause complications with navigation around a site. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and edit it again, just to show you how you can add one further dimension to it that will help with the navigation around through your forum post. So I'm going to highlight it again. I'm going to go back to Insert or Edit Link, and you'll notice that the acu.edu.au is in there. This time, underneath where it says Target, and at the moment it says Open in this window or frame, I'm going to drop down that menu, and we're going to change it to Open in New Window. Okay, so I've made that change, so I'm going to update it. I'm then going to save changes. And when I now go and look at that forum post, and I click on acu.edu.au, watch what happens up at the top of my screen. It opens up in a new window. So not only do I have Leo still live, but I've also got access to this external website. And that is going to be really important when you start to post URLs, which we'll start to do this week. When you're posting URLs to an external website, it means that your viewer will still be able to have Leo open, but they'll also be able to access the website in a new window.